Thoko ya macani ikoretwo igithie thi o gwakia, undu uria bodi ya KTDA ikoretwo ikionererio kiara ni guthuka gwa thogora wa macani na ni undu wa murimo wa COVID-19. Thoko yo ningi ni thiete thi muno. Mwaka mwituku President Uhuru Kenyatta akiendekithia gukorwo na mogaruruku.
Indeed, it is clear that the governance of KTDA and indeed the entire marketing of tea will require to be restructured if we are to get and to assure our farmers get more revenue from their tea sales.
Riu thirikari ni gathikite mawatho meru ma gutigirira murimi wa macani ni ona baita kumana na uhandi na urimi wa macani make. Minister Peter Munya augite mawatho macio meru mambiriria kurutithio wira murimi ndari etagirira bonathi muthia-ini wa mwaka indi ari nengeragwo gicunji kia 50 kia macani make o mweri. Oho matigari ma mbeca cia murimi maririhagwo muthia-ini wa mwaka mategucererwo.
Why should farmers take forever to wait for bonuses? We are saying they should also be paid monthly so that they have monthly earnings from their tea. And we are saying 50% because then you will be determining the other expenses that have to be deducted, etc., etc. Then, of course, at the end of the year, you can pay them what you call a bonus.
Mundu akero agore na kari hati dukwantu edikiathira. Riu ni agokorwo ni athire dia macani na gacoka gatwika ngatwa ikale mwaka mugima agikariha hindi yo murimi aturaga na ruo.
Iguthari nene ni kuri mabroka maria meritwo mawatho maya mambiriria kurutithio wira matiritikagirio gukorwo na kambuni makiria 15 cia kurutithania wira nacio. Ningi broka arikia kwendia macani aritwaragira kambuni mbeca icio thikũ 15 itanathira.
This is another dominance of power that has been utilized by KTDA, allocating brokers to huge number of factories grouped it together, and then you are able now to manage behind the scenes.
Tondu directors na brokers nio makoretwe makivinyiriria murimi wa manjani na ni twaugire ati brokers icio cionthe ciagire kurutwa.
Riboti njega hari murimi ni ati macani mothe mariendagio thiini wa thoko ya munada na macani macio matiriegeragira moko-ini ma bodi ya KTDA. Ningi gutire mundu uriendagia imwe kwa imwe macani nja wa bururi.
This is to seal that loophole that has been utilized to depress the prices, then negotiate prices in the back room.
KTDA igithondekwo ni muthuri ugwitwo Kenyatta yathondekirwo na riciria ria guteithia murimi munini. Riu gukire nyamu itagwo KTDA ya kunywa murimi thakame na ikirehe mawatho ma kuhinyiriria murimi.
Mieri iri kuma riu macani mariendagio kugerera mitambo ya kiriu, undu uria Minister Munya ugite ni kweheria njira cia ngungo iria cirahuthagirwo ni bodi ya KTDA gukungia arimi macani na kambuni cia arimi mbeca ciao.
A tea auction organizer existing before commencement of these regulations shall establish and migrate tea trading to an electronic trading platform within 2 months.
Brokers ira ikuona cartels ikoretwo ikuo ni mbica ni makogeria tona mageretie kuthie maundu makauga kuthie gotire kuga ngambeca itirathie wega ni twicwa na manjani magutonyerera kuo lakini tarimi ni turoretie.
Riu muguri wa macani ariendagwo gukorwo igite gicunji gia 15 kia muigana wa mbeca iria kugura macani macio na angikorwo ni egucinda kugura macani arihe mbeca ciothe atanakuwa macani macio.
Minister ari uhoro wa performance board ndino nyende kuga ti performance board nimero makaheana bank duality. Kuma mucio wa Nairobi kuria mawatho maya mahaririirio riu meregereirwo gutwarirwo murimi uria kuthuthuria mawatho macio netekanaria namo matuike watho ucio wahota gucokeria murimi baita yake iria yagiriire. Report Rainoro TV, nditagwo muitiriri Mawatho.